Hi Stephanie, welcome back to Kiwi Spa. I'm so happy to see you, and I'm so happy to see this dramatic change in your skin. Oh my gosh, like let me look. Wow.
Thank you.
I have your pictures before. Are you allowing me to share them?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. So how was your journey with Kiwi Spa?
I've been coming for a while now. I've been getting consistent facials, and if you compare my before to after to my current skin now, there's a dramatic change. I had very acne-prone skin, a lot of scarring, and the consistent facials, the natural products that I've been using consistently, the cleansers, the toners, the serums, they have done such a huge change for me. I love how my skin is looking right now. I do get a lot of compliments on my skin, and I will continue to use them consistently because they've done so much for me. They've helped me so much, and I recommend to everybody to come to Kiwi Spa.
Yes. Yay! We're always happy to see you. Thank you so much for trusting us with your skin. Thank you so much for using our products, and thank you so much for this honest and such a kind review. I just know that it will motivate so many people to take care of their skin and to do something consistently, and of course to use all natural, vegan, medical grade products that we have.
I really do recommend it. They have exceptional customer service. Everyone in this business is amazing. They do such a great job, and they really do care for your skin. I truly recommend it, and all the products are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Stephanie.